Well, the slot 1 of CAT 2025 is over, and more than anything else about whether you have done well, not done well, the most important question will be, what percentile will you get given that you expect a score of so and so kind of things. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to talk about it. But before I speak about what scores will give you what percentile, I think the feedback that I've got about slot 1 is that this particular paper, while there is no change as far as the pattern is concerned, with a very minor change in the verbal ability section, is decidedly tougher than CAT 2024. When we analyze the marks, we also look at what happened in the past over the last 5 years, not just the CAT 2024 paper. So if I were to slot what level of difficulty is CAT 2025, it can probably range between the CATs of 2022 and 2023. And that is what will reflect in the marks and the percentiles that I'm going to show you in a moment. Here is what we believe the scores will be for various percentiles. Now, if you're looking at a 99 percentile, which is very, very good percentile, and except for maybe IIM Calcutta, if you're a general category candidate, you will probably get calls from almost all other IIMs. At 19, to get to 99 percentile, if you look at last year what happened, 95 marks were required approximately. That's a scaled score, of course. Remember, 78 to 82 is almost 15 marks less than last year. That's 5 questions less getting correct, which means the paper was very tough. So those of you who have come out of the paper considering that this paper is so tough and I have not done well, etc., hold on, don't worry about it. Chances are that even if you have done decently well, remember, to get into the newer IIMs, 93, 94 percentiles are okay. 50 marks, that is. Look at 90 percentile. We expect that 90 percentile will be at 45 to 48 marks. That means 93 percentile will not be more than 51, 52 marks. Out of 204 marks, 51 is 1/4. 25% of the paper, if you get right, there's a chance that you get into a new IIM. Similarly, the cutoffs for most institutes are at 80, which are non-IIMs. 80 percentile, 35, 36 marks out of 204 is about 12, 13 questions, or the whole of 68 questions. So take heart, the paper is difficult, and we believe that if you have kind of not lost your way in that 2 hours of the paper, you have a very good chance of getting a good percentile. Now, extrapolating from where we are talking about 78, 80, if it is going to be your 99 percentile, at 100 marks or 104 marks, around the halfway mark of the 204 that you get in the overall paper, you might just end up at 99.8, 99.9 percentile also. With that, what is important is if you are aware of what kind of scores that you can get, and therefore the percentile, we at Careers 360 are also giving you a college predictor. Remember, not only the IIMs, but there are many, many institutes which take the CAT scores. And once you give us your expected CAT score, broad score itself, if you come out to us and give us your expected score, we will also predict your percentile. At that percentile, what college that you can get, you will be also getting them very straightforward into your email boxes. So come to us. We will come back with slot 2 and slot 3 analysis as we go along. Until then, wish you all the very best.